Guess where we are? Dubai really never stopped to amaze us. A green planet in the desert with the sound of a natural forest, waterfalls, and the birds chirping. But guess what? It is just few minutes away from Burj Khalifa.
Who can imagine that inside of this fascinating building structure will be a home of more than 3,000 species of plants, animals, birds, fish, and lots more. Yes, indeed, the tropical rainforest is hidden in this vast biodome complex. Join me as we discover the wonders of the green planet in the heart of Dubai.
While waiting for the lift to go to the top level, you will be fascinated with the view of Youth's Aquarium. At the top, you will enjoy the beautiful scenery of a huge tree, variety of plants, birds, and enjoy seeing, listening to the sound of nature. And I guess this bird can understand me.
Yes? Are you hungry? Oh, what do you want to eat? Look at here. It is really a super relaxing feeling. When was the last time you experienced a thunderstorm? Well, get ready to feel one and experience get wet under the rain. But yes, we can hide from the world's largest man-made life-sustaining indoor tree to avoid getting wet. There are a lot of animal species that you can see. Join me to search for the bat. This place has so many interesting experiences to showcase for nature lovers or even for a family outing. My favorite spot is where the water falls. You will really feel that you are having vacation in a tropical forest. And yes, Dubai Green Planet offering an overnight camping experience. Just remember that one, they don't bite to kill. That's on TikTok. So it's fine. They are biting. They don't bite to kill. They just want to soft. And they take all like rainbow. Rainbow. Okay, from Brazil. Yes? It's really soft. So guys who are afraid of the snake, so really the snakes are something kind of cool. Let me try a little bit. Konti lang.
For more secrets of this place, I will let you to discover it. And yes, souvenir shop is waiting for you to take away its beautiful
If you
snaps.
feel tired, thirsty, or hungry, you can just sit and relax at the Green Planet Cafe.
Hope you enjoy our trip today like I did.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel.